Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to speed up a video on TikTok. Speeding up videos on TikTok can help you change the playback speed of videos in just a few simple steps. First of all, open up the TikTok application and log in. Once logged in, navigate to the video you wish to watch. Now, from the bottom right, simply keep pressing on the video and this will speed up your video. This method changes the speed of the video only for your viewing session and does not affect the original content. Now, that's how you can speed up others' content on TikTok. Whereas, if you want to speed up videos during recording, then from the home page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. Now on the recording screen, tap on the arrow facing downwards on the right and click on speed. Select your desired speed from slowing down or speeding up your content. If you want to slow down your video, you can go ahead and pick the 0.5 or the 0.3 options. If you want to speed up your video, go ahead and click on the 2 times or the 3 time option and then record your video by holding the record button and capturing your content. So once you do that, you'll be able to speed up others' TikTok videos as well as your own content on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.